Hey, if you're over 50 and you're nervous to start exercising, I totally get it. Most gyms and equipment is incredibly intimidating. But that's because most gyms and most fitness programs focus on building muscle or doing tons of cardio super hard to burn fat. And that's honestly not the most important thing, especially when you're over 50. What's actually important for you is longevity, being able to move your body as freely as possible for as long as possible. So quit doing movements that burn you out or make you feel like you're gonna fall to the ground because you're so exhausted, and start doing movements that make your body feel good again. I'm gonna show you a few of them right now. Starting with one of my favorites, the simple side bend. You're gonna place one hand on your hip, put the thumb backwards like this, reach the arm overhead, kick the hip out, inhale as you come down, exhale as you come up, and just go from side to side like this. Inhaling down, exhaling up, reaching tall to the top of the head on every single rep. Just doing a minute of simple side bends will help stretch and strengthen the spine and make your body feel so much better again. Now, another favorite movement of mine is a simple movement called a frog deadlift. So take a nice wide stance like this, turn the toes outward, push the butt backwards and bow forward as you slightly bend the knees, and then see how far you can come down while keeping the back flat. Once you see it round, you've gone too far, then press the heels into the ground, squeeze the glutes, and extend the hips. Inhale as you go down like this, exhale as you come up just like this. If this is too hard for you, do it in front of a chair, use the chair for support like this just in case you need it. And if it's too easy, you can even add a little hop at the top. Coming down and adding a little hop at the top will make it significantly harder for you. And then you can do simple moves on the back of a chair, something like a high chair push-up, where you place your hands on the chair, squeeze your glutes and core, drop your shoulders down, press your hands down, and just do basic push-ups like this. Just don't let your elbows flare out, because then you might end up hurting your shoulders instead. And if you really want to work your core while you're in this position, you can do a simple move like a high chair shoulder tap. So same thing in this position, keep everything tight. Don't let your body move from side to side, and then see if you can slowly shift the weight to one hand, tap the opposite shoulder, and come back and forth just like this. Now these movements are going to help you get stronger for daily life. It'll be easier to pick stuff up. Your core will be stronger, your spine will be more flexible, and you will be able to move your body more freely for so much longer. So the truth is, you don't need to go to the gym. You can do basic movements at home to make your body feel good again. If you want us to build you a follow-along workout with the right movements and stretches for your body, just click the link below, take our free movement assessment quiz, and we'll build you a simple 10-minute routine that you can do from home.